In the ocean shining bright, silver body in the light. Ichthyosaurus swims with speed through the waves we all can see. Chasing fish in playful streams, jumping high like in a dream. Racing where the sunlight glows, swimming fast wherever goes. Waving to the turtle near, passing coral full of cheer. Laughing voices fill the sea, sharing this adventure free. Greeting shrimp so small and sweet, hearing whales sing deep and neat. We will swim both near and far, to the endless sea we are. Ichthyosaurus race away, shiny tail will light the way. Jumping over ocean's crest, under sunshine feeling best. Ichthyosaurus sing with me, in the ocean wild and free. We will swim both near and far, to the endless sea we are. Clams are opening their doors, ocean flowers bloom once more. Gliding swift like ocean breeze, seeing wonder sure to please. Little waves all dance around, seaweed sways without a sound. Starfish shining clear and bright, guides us through the ocean night. Moonlight falls upon the sea, silver waves move silently. Resting close we drift away, dreaming till the break of day. When the dawn begins to glow, new adventures we will know. With Ichthyosaurus near, we will swim without a fear. I'm the lightning of the sea, swimming faster endlessly. With my friends, the fun won't